No, I did say that to you, it was to be nice. I checked the weather, and it was to be cracking. It's not as warm as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit warmer, but
19 degrees.
yeah, I thought it was going to be about 21, 22, but it's dry and it's sunny, and that's what counts.
Half a mile we turn right.
That was a nice wee cut through there,
Aye, that was lovely. I'm up to 7,810 now.
13,387.
It's good we're using them that way.
Yeah. Oh, did you hear the one about Sean Connery when he was in Jenner's buying his wife a pair of knickers?
Yeah.
He says to the sales lassie, "Are they shatting?" And the sales lassie says, "No, hen, they're brand new." Or, "No, son, they're brand new." My jokes are shite, we'll not be far off kicking out 400 miles this weekend.
I think about 130, 160.
Aye, but including yesterday.
That was 160, wasn't it?
160, aye. I'll not be far off 400.
Do you want to go to Peebles?
Aye. Aye, Peebles is nice, aye. Got an ice cream.
Go to Peebles. Aye. And then we'll go up to there in Edinburgh.
Yeah. Hello, cows. Moo.
I'm getting the fucking hermit to me to proceed to the route because I'm bigger than a
Aye.
bastard.
Just ignore it. I've never been up this road anyway.
Neither have I.
So, it could be nice. Well, it is nice, look at it. That's a no bad wee road, this.
Aye?
Oh, I'm glad you came this way.
That means we're not going back the same way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Edinburgh. And then you can just go across the bridge then.
Yeah. That'll be good when it gets the comms.
Yeah, it will be. It's only 3:30.
Nice house that. Fuck me, I'd love to stay in that. Is that all it is? 3:30?
Aye. We didn't leave Arbroath till 3:30 yesterday.
That's right, aye. Fucking flies, man, they're everywhere. And I've not even shat.
So done.
Get this lid down in case they come in. Look at them, they're fucking everywhere.
This must be Peebles.
It is, aye, we're just dropping into Peebles now.
Ice cream and then head home.
Welcome to the Royal Borough of Peebles. Spent like my childhood summer holidays down here.
You didn't. I spent most of mine in Ayrshire.
Yeah,
We used to go to Troon, Brassy Beach.
Troon. I used to go swimming in the Tweed.
Is that where they fish swimming in the...
Aye. I farted, gassed them and then they drowned. Aye, this place hasn't really changed that much.
Nah, Peebles isn't, is it?
Nah. I left onto the high street. I used to come down here for the Belton Festival. Way back in the early 80s.
Where's the ice cream shop then?
It's halfway up here on the left. We got one the last time, remember? Oh no, that was a chippy we got.
That's a chippy.
We can just drive through it till we see it, and then...
There it's there, on the left.
So it is.
Ice cream. Aye.
We're in fucking in harmony.
Apart from me.
Apart for you, you're an oddball though.
You just fucking abandoned it.
Oh, that is down now. Oh, ice cream time. Is that my fan? Aye.
That was nice off-road adventure we had there.
It was alright, eh?
Eh?
Enjoy that?
Not particularly.
No.